what's going on, guys, and welcome to the second part of the cherry chocolate rye porter that we're making. Fermentation, the tilt's just disappeared. Fermentation is finished at 1010 or 1.010, which is exactly where I was hoping it was going to stop. So running my mash temperature at 69 degrees Celsius is actually about 67, 68 in terms of book recommendations. So that's good to know, ready for the next beer that I'll be making. As you know, it's in the fermenter in my fermentation fridge. So let's take a cheeky sample and see what we get off it. There's the colour, straight out the fermenter. It's kind of quite a brown. Yeah, could do with that a little bit darker. Oh, it's definitely got that porter aroma. Let's take a sip. Iechyd. Yeah, very smooth, very low ABV, which is what I was looking for. Nice soft bitterness as well, and a slight roasty on the back end. So let's get set up ready for the cherry flavour and the transfer. Or should I transfer then add cherry? We'll see, we'll work it out. Oosh. I'm just looking for a keg, but there's plenty left. Right, dilemma. So I have this keg of a Pilsner, I think it was. Lager or Pilsner? I can't even remember what it was. But it didn't turn out right at all. The yeast was stressed. It was a bad pack of yeast, the second one which I've used. So I had to put more yeast into it and it just never survived. So I'm going to have to dump it, I think. That don't smell nice. This has probably been sat in this keg for 4 months now, which is not needed to get a shot of it. Yeah, there's probably 18 litres in there. Where's the turkey baster gone? Right. Let's take some out, put it into this glass. Rinse this out. Bye bye turkey baster. Oh, I very rarely have to tip beers away, but as you can tell, just picking this up off the floor, putting it straight in the keg. If it has turned out really nice, I'm a bit screwed now, aren't I? So there we have it. Lovely colour, nice crisp white head on it. Lovely nail polish aroma. Here we go again, let's try it again. Oh no. Oh. I think it's acetaldehyde or diacetyl. I think it's acetaldehyde. That nail polishy twang. Let's prank the missus with it. She's coming. Act cool, act cool. Remember that? That was that lager I tried to make.
Oh yeah, the one that went horrible.
Yeah, try that. It's been there for a while.
Doesn't smell very nice, is it?
What? The taste of it.
Yeah, perfect! I knew it! As soon as I said it didn't smell very nice, and you were like, what? That's why I literally took the tiniest sip. I don't even think I tasted it. It literally touched my tongue. Did you taste it? What's it like? I don't know. It smells minging. It literally touched my tongue, babe, and I didn't have any because I knew you were wanting it. It's such a dick.
I smile at the camera anyway.
It's not on, is it? It is, look, red light.
Right, I'm going to dump this. Can you open the door for me, please? So we'll just empty that and set it here and connect the transfer hose. So our transfer hose, Starsan, place that there. Cover this over in case that spider goes in. Blocks the pickup tube. Okay, so what I've decided to do, the instructions for this says shake well, add this to 23 litres of beer. I'm going to be adding it to 19 litres after fermentation. Gently stir to distribute the flavouring and leave the beer to sit for 12 to 24 hours before bottling, as per standard instructions. Alternatively, use 1.5 ml per 750 ml of beer prior to carbonation. So I'm effectively doing it straight to the bottling stage rather than secondary or bottling vessel into bottles. So what I'm going to be doing with this, let the keg fill to about halfway, pour this in gently onto the side of the keg and continue with the transfer till it's at the top, purge it with CO2 and then we'll hook it up to the line, have a quick taster of what it's like, and then I'll just leave it on the gas then for a couple of weeks, 3 weeks. Should be good. So off we go. Let's have a look in here. Ooh, she kicked off. Okay, I think that is about the right time. Transferred or decanted it in. Oh, smells good. Right, don't drop the bottle. So I'm just pouring it gently against the wall here, not to introduce any oxygen. Don't want it splashing in. And there we have it, done. Oh, I can smell it already. Okay, so transfer is complete. I've just shut it off. It smells really good. Just take this hose off the barb. In the rest of it goes. Cleaning pile. Just like I said, we'll seal this up. Chuck some CO2 on it. See if that's got it. Yeah, no leaking. So give this, and I'll cut back once this is on tap and we're having a quick taster. So I've just pulled through the remnants of the banoffee Weizen that was on. Let's see how this turns out. So it's been conditioning for 2 minutes, another 2 weeks to go, and that's what it looks like. It's looking promising. Let's move the camera to a better position. So as you can see, we've not only finished the beer, we've also drawn a crowd. So the aroma on this, definitely that cherry aroma. It's not overpowering. It's actually really pleasant. So you smelt the bottle, didn't you?
Yeah.
You didn't like it, did you?
No.
Smell that.
That sounds nice.
Really?
Yeah.
Really, really?
Yeah.
They're not going to believe you.
No, yeah, it does. It does.
There you are, independent review. Aroma, Iechyd. Aroma. So, flavour, Iechyd. Not very strong at all. That's really good. That is really, really good. It doesn't taste syrupy or artificial. That's not bad. I think this could be the beginning of a lot of experiments.
Did you put all of it in there?
Yeah, baby.
Oh wow.
Yeah. That concludes part 2 of this beer. I'm not going to be doing a final testing on YouTube. It will be on my Instagram page. I'll just put a quick 1 or 2 minute video up on there. So if you're on the gram, go and follow me at Homebrew Griffo. But if you've got any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. So yeah, that's all from us. Iechyd.
Iechyd. Shall I stop it?
Yeah, press stop please.